Welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Diana. Today we are talking about wonder. What brings you wonder? Is it the wonder of a melody ringing out? Is it the wonder of the inner workings of gears and gadgets? Or is it the wonder of global systems and inner working economies? Is it the wonder of nature, the wonder of beauty, the wonder of love? Listen to today's verse in Psalm 17:7. It says, "Show me your unfailing love in wonderful ways. By your mighty power, you rescue those who seek refuge." Did you know that you can ask God to show you the wonders of His love, the wonders of God's love? That's what the psalmist prayed in today's verse. What if you and I did the same thing? What if you asked God to show you the wonders of His love this week? You might discover that the love of God, it is different than the love you've known. You might discover that the love of God is better than, deeper than, stronger than, softer than you know. Now that is a wonder that I want to notice today. That is a wonder I want to marvel at. Today I am praying that you, right now, you listening, that God would show you the wonders of His love. Maybe try this. Try reading John chapter 1 or Romans chapter 5 today and simply marvel at God's great love, specifically the love that He demonstrated through His Son Jesus. We'll see you next time.